Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2018 Ford F-150 XLT. Under the hood we have a 2.7-liter V6 engine and a 10-speed automatic transmission. It's in a nice brown red color, looks awesome. You got the bug deflector up front there with the Ford badging and the chrome. You have your lights right there, and you do have your fog lights hanging out right there as well. And over here we do have our Goodyear Wrangler brand tires with the 18-inch rims. You do also have your running boards along the bottom, and you do have your mirrors hanging out right there, and they are heated. Okay, back here we do have the Ford badging with the F-150 EcoBoost, and you have your parking sensors back here with your backup camera. You can open this guy up, and there is lots and lots of room back here. It looks very nice, very spacious, and then you do also have this guy right here that does fold down if you did need it. Okay, we have our keys here. We got our two presses to lock all the doors. We have our unlock there. We also have our remote start and our panic there. We can press that button to flick the key out. Now let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here. Handle here, some storage here and here, and it looks fantastic in here as well. Very spacious, and the seats, the cloth seats, are very comfortable. They have controls here, so backward, forward. You got your tilt and lumbar support. And then up here we got the controls over the lights, so the auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams, in-cabin light control, fog lights, and that one is the light for the back. And that guy does move your pedals closer to you. And then up here we do have the controls over our high beams, turning signals, and windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge, engine temperature. We also have our oil life up there, and in the center it does tell us how many kilometers we have, which is 22,000. That is not bad at all, and you can switch that around in the center to engine information, distance to empty, transmission temperature. You also have your tire pressure, and then you can switch around to all sorts of different options over here as well. That is control from right here, with your cruise control options right here, horn in the center, and then you have your volume up and down and your Bluetooth options right there. Gear shift is hanging out right here. And when we shift it into reverse, we have the ever useful backup camera right there, keeping us nice and safe. You have your traction control up here with your stop start options and your hazard lights, and then you do have this very nice touchscreen display. So if you hit menu, you can see all the different options. So we have our phone options with the channel we're on. We do also have our navigation. You can hit this guy to see your sources. You got AM, FM, CD, and you got a Bluetooth. Then you have your phone here, navigation over here, your apps just over here, and your settings there. And then over here we got the controls over the two-wheel, four-wheel high and four-wheel low. And then we have the volume up and down with the power. You have your presets, you have your skip, media, all those guys, tuner and browser there, trailer options there. Then you have your CD player. You have the climate control right down here, so the power up and down with your heated seats. You have your defrosts there, your mode, circulation, and AC, and then temperature control there. You have some plugins just down there. And then over here we do have our armrest with our cup holders. You have a storage container just in there. You can lift this guy up, and you got a seat underneath, and this does fold up as well. And you have some storage under there, and you can put those cup holders out if you wanted. And then you also have your locking glove box right here with your owner's manual inside of it. And up top you do have the control over the window in the back. You have your sunglass holder and some lights right there. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door you got your control over your windows, your handle. You have some storage here and here, and some more storage down here. It looks awesome back here. It is the same material as the front. Very comfortable. You can fold this guy up and you got extra storage underneath. As well, you do have some cup holders right over there. And there's our 2.7-liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-on review of the 2018 Ford F-150 XLT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.